discover what lies beyond of his dimension.
Oh,
That's too good, that ride. I love it.
Joyful gatherings at Christmas are a gift you can give all year.
With a yellow safety.
Good evening, my friends. Tonight we invite you to lend your voices and sing along during What's This? Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas sing-along. For the safety of others, we ask you to refrain from smoking, eating, drinking, and flash photography. We encourage photos and recordings, but please, do not obstruct the view of those around you with your smart devices. And remember, when the full moon starts to shine, we'll all sing out, "It's Christmas time."
Hello, my friends. What a wonderful sight. Let me welcome you all on this fine Christmas night. Now, you've heard the old story. We all know it well. But that's not the story I came here to tell. Every now and again, often more than it seems, when your eyelids are heavy and fated for dreams, a new sort of story just might be in store. When the mind is a forest and you've opened a door. Like the scene you see here, at a first passing glance might seem ordinary, yes, or plain happenstance. But such wonders emerge where reality thins, and that is where our story begins.
What's this? What's this?
this? There's color everywhere. What's this? There's white things in the air. What's this? I can't believe my eyes. I must be dreaming. Wake up, Jack. This isn't fair. What's this? Oh, I can't believe my eyes. And in my bones I feel the warmth that's coming from inside. What is this?
Jack said we should work together.
Three of a kind. We're together now and forever. I say that we take a cannon, aim it at his door, and then knock 3 times, and when he answers, Santa Claus will be no more. We're saving spiders too. Kidnap the Santa Claus, see what we will see. Lock him in a cage and then throw away the
I sense there's something in the wind. And does he notice my feelings for him? Oh, I'd like to join the crowd in their enthusiastic cloud.
Well, 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 what have we here? So you're the one everybody's talking about. When Mr. Oogie Boogie says there's trouble close at hand, so whoa, 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 I'm Oogie Boogie Man. Really are too much. And now, with your permission, I'm going to do my stuff. I'm gonna get ya! Oh, come here, Mr. Oogie Boogie, and you ain't going nowhere! Ooh!
What's this?
What's this?
I haven't got a clue. What's this? Why, it's completely new. What's this? Must be a Christmas bag. What's this? It's really very strange.
Careful, my precious jewel.
My dearest friend, if you don't mind, I'd like to join you by your side, where we can gaze into the stars and sit together now and forever, forever.
And so, as you've seen, there is much to be found in the cover of a night, where such wonders abound. By the light of the moon, in the gust of the wind, from the shadows that mask an old skeleton's grin. Through the fog that collects in the space between dreams, we discover that nothing is quite as it seems. And when we awake, rubbing sleep from our eyes, blinking back at the moon in its cloudy disguise, we ask ourselves, what do we truly recall? Was it really a dream? Did it happen at all?
Dancers, welcome! Come, come, come! Oh, look at all these bright, smiling faces! It's so nice to see you! Come on in, don't be shy, that's right! Everyone to your positions! Ready, and... 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3! Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together! Now, let's...
Holiday Spectacular. Get ready for a rockin' good time and enjoy Jingle Bell, Jingle Bam!
Around the Christmas tree and the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly. Deck the halls with bells of holly. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way.
Season's greetings, everyone! Direct from Santa's Village, the North Pole Christmas Eve Command Center Coordinator, McGee!
Hello, Disney's Hollywood Studios! Tonight we've got a special holiday transmission from the big guy himself, Santa Claus. And to make sure the site is holly jolly, I'm sending in our top prep and landing team.
Site is prepped. Patch us through to the big guy's office.
Totally tinsel!
We are go for Partridge. Sir, you are live in 3, 2, 1.
Wayne? Santa's not in his office.
Ah, great Garland.
sparkly. It just melts my heart.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh, and every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. The years we all will be all together. Keep the fates alive. Shining star upon the highest cloud. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
We're going in.
I'm a huggy boogie man. Well, if I'm feeling antsy and I've nothing much to do, I'm a huggy boogie man.
We've got eyes on the big guy, engaging night vision.
Hey, who turned off the lights? Who's messing with me?
We are live with Orlando.
It's thanks to Lanny and Wayne. They're the ones who saved Christmas and me, after all. But as long as family and friends are together, like here in Orlando, there will always be Christmas. Merry Christmas and happy holidays.